Have a nice day, students. My name is Syed Firoz Ahmed and I'm your English teacher. Alright students, in today's lecture we are going to learn advertisements writing, and let me tell you that this is a very important topic of the syllabus. This is an integral part of the syllabus of class 11th and class 12th as well. Alright students, besides these two classes, the students of English and the person who wants to write good advertisement may also get the benefits. Let's start now. This is the first lecture, and in this lecture we'll have some basic information regarding advertisement writing, and after this we'll have the second lecture, and that is going to be very much important because we'll have different examples, samples as well. Alright students, let's go ahead. As this is clear in the picture here, you can see in this picture that this is a paper cut off. This is a clip of a newspaper, and this is from that page which is called a classified page. In newspapers, this is a very important section, and from here the newspaper companies collect the revenues. Alright, so in this page, which is known for classified page, classified section of the newspaper, you might encounter with different advertisements of different fields or sectors. This may be about education, this may be about property, this may be about matrimonials, and so on. Alright students, and this has got its own feature. Remember, in this the paper companies charge word wise or character wise. Character means, for example, if you put one stop or comma, everything is counted. Even if you keep some space, that is also counted. And in this way it becomes costly. And remember, giving advertisements in big newspapers or very reputed newspapers is very costly. By the way, regarding other types of advertisement, this one is little less costly, as it is fixed, and one is suggested to conclude or sum up the message through that advertisement in minimum words, alright, or in minimum characters. Certain characters are made free. For example, they make 300 characters free, and after that you may be charged, and you will be charged character wise. Alright, so if you add some extra add-ons, then after you may get the benefits of adding extra words. By the way students, now you have understood that in advertisements, especially when you want to get it published, money matters, and money is charged on each and every character or word or space. So it is necessary to learn how to keep the ideas concise, okay, so that in less words we can give big message. Understood? So in this topic we shall learn how to advertise effectively in less money, how to save the money for the company, for the industry, for the organization. Alright, if you write a letter, or if you write a story that if you write a story to get it published, remember it will be our foolishness, and this will not be fruitful. Neither the people who read the advertisement will get benefits, neither you will get benefits. Okay, so this is a very important lecture in which you will learn how to keep it concise and effective as well. Okay students, now let's move ahead. This is the definition of this topic. Advertising is or advertisement is a type of communication. Okay, alright, what is this? Yes, advertising or advertisement is a type of communication. So I have told you about communication in the previous lectures. You may find my previous lectures, and there you will get the details, whereby people promote or persuade customers to utilize their services. Alright, so through the advertisement, what do we do, or what do people do? Yes, they promote or persuade customers to use their services or products. So there are two types of things. One, services. For example, in education sector we give services, but big companies or factories, they produce products. All right, so on Amazon you might find products. All right, but on YouTube you do not find products, but you find services. All right, so even YouTube videos are promoted through different advertisements. All right, so that is service based advertisement. And sometimes you get paper based, sorry, product based advertisements in newspapers. All right, and even even on YouTube. Okay, and there are plenty of platforms where different types of advertisements are played. Further, students, it is important to know, okay, what are the types of advertisement. So mainly there are two types of advertisement. As you can see here, there are two types of advertisement, and these are as follows. First of all, classified advertisements, and the second one is display or commercial advertisements. Now it becomes very much important to understand what are the differences between these two advertisements, or these two types of advertisement. All right, students, so to understand the first one, which one is the classified, we will come to this section. So classified ads will be our subject in this article, and classified ads, okay, well, classified ads will be our subject in this article, means in this lecture. Okay, and classified ads are called classified ads because they are classified into different types of category depending on their functions. Now understand this. So the ad that we are talking about, okay, are called classified ads because what are the reason of being called classified ads? Yes, as the name is clear itself, that the ads or the advertisements are going to be classified, means going to be categorized. All right, so classified means categorized, you can say. So they are classified into different types of category depending on their functions. So as I had told you in the previous section, for example, let's come back. What do you see here? To let. What is being seen here? To let. That means some flats are to be given on rent, so that is called to let. And what is this? Sometimes you get about some coaching institutes, okay, some property also. All right, and sometimes you get about matrimonials where both bridegrooms and brides, they give their advertisement regarding their need of the bride or bridegrooms. All right, okay, students, so now you've understood that in the classified advertisements we get a separate page in the newspaper where different fields are included, okay, and advertisements from different fields are given in this, printed in that newspaper for the benefits of the people as well as for the benefits of the people who are giving the services or producing the products. Okay, students, if you have not seen this, I would like to request you to purchase one newspaper and go to the classified section of that newspaper. There you can find everything in detail and you can read also, and I would like to suggest you to read too, so that you may get benefits in maximum and you may learn further how to get it published in future. Okay, students, now let's go ahead. Classified advertisements are advertisements used by the general masses to promote or use services. General masses, that means plenty of people they use this sort of advertisements. As I told you in the beginning of the session, that this is less costly, so many people can afford this. Okay, and they are generally text based ads. So classified ads always text based ads, means only words are used in that, characters are used. I'm sorry, text based ads means that ads or those ads where we use only text, only words. Okay, where newspaper agencies generally charge on the number of words used. Okay, so you can very well imagine that there is no place for precise English sentences here, and the only concern is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. So only keeping less words are not enough. We have to keep the message also successfully among the people, among the consumers, among the customers. Okay, well, so these are the